as soon as you get out of your comfort zone, you will always find it tough because you will question some things which are hard to question. You will be facing fears, you will be facing issues, and that's never easy. So I do agree, when you have this kind of trainings, it is a bit tough. The program I had was a 3 days program through a lot of rain, and on the last days there were even a typhoon 3. And at no time I felt in danger because I felt the overall organization was very safe and the team was really serious about making sure we're fine. So it's tough, but not dangerous. It's very hard to improve yourself if you don't question some things. If you stay in your comfort zone, you won't really improve. But in a safe environment, and you also have fun. So at the end of the day, it will have been tough, but it will also have been fun.